Hello dear friends, we are going to continue the next part of second topic, that's a medical termination of pregnancy. It says as the MTP. Intentional or the voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called as the MTP or induced abortion. 45 to 50 million MTP are performed in a year all over the world. That is one-fifth of the total number of the conceived pregnancies. MTP helped to decrease the population. Many countries have not legalized MTP due to emotional, ethical, religious and the social issues. Government of India legalized MTP in 1971 with some strict condition to check the illegal female Feticides. What's the importance of the MTP? To avoid unwanted pregnancies due to casual intercourse or failure of the contraceptive use during the coitus or the rape. It is essential in case where the continuance of pregnancy could be harmful to the mother or to the fetus or both. The MTPs are safe during the first trimester. It's a very important part. That's a MTPS. It's done in the first trimester stage only up to 12 weeks. The second trimester abortion are very risky. The problems related to the MTPS. Majority of the MTPS are performed illegally. Misuse of the amniocentesis test for the fetal sex determination. If the fetus is the female, it is followed by the MTP. Such practices are dangerous for the young mother and the fetus. Amniocentesis. In this, some amniotic fluid, you can see or this some amniotic fluid, it's taken off from the fetus to analyze the fetus cell and dissolve the substance. It is used to test the presence of the genetic disorder survivability of the fetus. The government of India interacted with the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act in 2017 to reduce the illegal abortion and the consequent maternal mortality and the morbidity. According to this act, a pregnancy may be terminated within the first 12 weeks on the opinion of the registered medical practitioner. If the pregnancy is between the 12 to 24 weeks, the two registered medical practitioners must be of the opinion. So what's that amniocentesis? It's a very important part in case of the MTPS. That's amniocentesis. It's a specialized test that involves taking a sample of amniotic fluid. So you can see here there is a taking the sample of amniotic fluid from the uterus. Means it's a taken from the womb region of by hypodermic needle. So this needle is a hypodermic needle. The fluid is examined to determine the chromosomal abnormalities. It is diagnostic test which tell certainty whether or not your baby has a particular problem as well as the abnormalities. What kind of abnormalities can be amniocentesis detected? The test can be identify the several genetical disorders and the chromosomal disorders such as Down syndrome. Then the trisomy Edward syndrome, neural tube defect like the spina bifida and the anencephaly. That's a fetal lung maturity. These disorders can be identified with the help of the amniocentesis test. That's a amniocentesis can also reveal whether the baby it is a RH negative. Hope so you understood it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.